Based on Friday's job report, it looks like the economy is in trouble, but I'll tell you, it's not. We have not seen numbers like these in the jobs report since 2020, with non-farm payrolls only increasing by 12,000 for the month. The expectation was job creation of 100,000 jobs, so obviously a huge miss there. Why the big miss? Well, right off the bat, the strike of Boeing created a loss of an estimated 44,000 jobs, and who can forget the 2 hurricanes we had in the South as well. It's currently unclear how many jobs were lost during that time frame due to those natural disasters. On the positive side, average hourly earnings did increase 0.4% for the month, which was above the estimate, and the 12-month gain of 4% held steady. Revisions to August and September took out 112,000 jobs, bringing the August number to only 78,000, and September's gain declined down to 223,000 jobs. Temporary jobs are sometimes seen as an underlying strength of a job market, but they have declined by 577,000 jobs since March of 2022. I'll say we don't feel that this is the indicator that it used to be, and we expect to see some reversal of temporary jobs for the holiday hiring season. This should start to be reflected in the next month or two. The hurricanes in the South were a hit to leisure and hospitality, as I'm sure many bars and restaurants were closed, and the category saw a drop of 4,000 jobs in the month. Only 2 sectors in the job market saw increases, which was healthcare, as it added 52,000 jobs, and government experienced an increase of 40,000 jobs. On the surface, the jobs report looks frightening, but we are out of hurricane season and heading into the holiday season, which I think will be strong. I think you'll see a reversal in the job market in the next 2 to 3 jobs reports, which should be rather positive. I'll say not as positive as it was during the expansion when we were coming out of COVID, and really, as I call it, the great recovery and the recuperation of jobs that occurred during that time period. But I do definitely think it'll be much, much better than a 12,000 job increase like we saw this month. There are 2 meetings left for the Federal Reserve, and I think this jobs report would allow them to cut rates by a 1/4 point at the next meeting. For the last meeting of the year, we will wait for more economic data before predicting another rate cut to close out 2024. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. Stay ahead in the investment world by subscribing to our YouTube channel and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.